Hey, what's up guys? So let's take a look at the new Viofo A119M Pro. This is basically the upgraded version of the A119 Mini 2, with the primary change being it now has a 4K Sony Starvis 2 sensor, and so it can record at 4K and 30 FPS. There's no 60 FPS option like we had with the Mini 2, but I'm totally cool with that. And so now with the higher resolution sensor, we're gonna get better video quality and detail. There's also some other minor upgrades too, like the Wi-Fi is now faster, and because it supports Wi-Fi 6, the file transfer speeds are going to be almost 4 times faster, jumping from 8 megabytes per second to 30 megabytes per second. Additionally, the GPS mount has been upgraded too, and so now it's going to do a better job of acquiring and maintaining your location and speed info around the world. Most of the rest of the stuff seems to be the same though. It's got the nice compact form factor, it's got your traditional parking recording modes, including buffered parking recording, though it doesn't have the low power parking recording that we see in some of the higher end models. But either way, it's basically a compact front-only 4K dash cam, a lot like the Viofo A119M Pro. And since video quality is the main improvement, let's go ahead and take a look at some sample footage here from the dash cam, looking at both daytime footage and nighttime footage. And for this video, I've got the dash cam, of course, set to the 4K 30 FPS option with the highest bitrate. I've also got auto HDR enabled, so HDR is going to be off in the daytime, and then I set it to enable HDR at 6 p.m. And conveniently in this sample footage, you can actually see the difference here between HDR off and on when I'm pulled up behind this red car at a red light. Lastly, I also want to mention that I'm testing with an earlier version of the firmware here, which I think explains why I'm occasionally seeing this frame skipping issue, or other times when the exposure kind of flickers brighter or darker. And so there might be some changes to video quality now that the dash cam is available for pre-order, and as they continue making more tweaks and improvements to the dash cam. But with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at the sample footage now here from this A119M Pro.